Spark EV fans, here's a little tip for you. Going to my 2016 Spark EV manual, page 190, going less than 35 miles, push the accelerator down halfway. More than 35, push the accelerator down all the way. This is very interesting reading because, as some know, there is a limiter on the Spark EV where it doesn't give full power until about 30 miles an hour. So we're going to test out this and see what's happening. Let's plug in our Torque Pro and do a little 0 to 60 by using a half pedal, then full pedal after 30 mile an hour run, and we got our fastest 0 to 60 time ever, 7.2. Now remember, performance-wise, we do have a lightweight Corbeau racing seat installed in the driver's position, and we have Achilles ATR Sport tires up front for better traction on the launch and better handling and steering. Just to compare, here's an older run using a full pedal to the metal type approach when launching, just fully placing it flat down as far as it'll go and as fast as I can go with traction control off and sport mode on. We can see that I destroy these times here and they're just getting better. Even with the Achilles front tires, traction is still becoming an issue on takeoff with this car. It just has so much torque. With a lightened wheel and tire combination, we might be able to get this into the mid sixes to low sixes, depending on how much suspension work I can do to hunker down the car, lifting up in the front end when it takes off. You can see that there's so much front end lift that if we can corral that, we'll be able to put that power to the ground more. My goal with this car is autocrossing and possibly a couple drag strip runs. So stay tuned, everyone, as we prepare our Chevy Spark EV for the road and beyond. Thanks, everyone. SVTWRC. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, like, comment. I try and get back to everyone. See you soon.